Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making one of my favorites, Summer Harvest Bowl. This recipe has all the fresh ingredients that the end of summer has to offer. It's a bowl of deliciousness. So let's get cooking. This is a quick recipe. So in a bowl, we'll squeeze lime juice over the avocados that we've cubed. Toss them around to coat and then set aside until needed. Next, in a skillet over medium heat, we'll pour in olive oil. And when it starts sizzling, we'll add our cubed chicken breasts. We'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll sauté them until no longer pink. But halfway through cooking, we'll add minced ginger and pressed garlic. We'll continue cooking until the meat is almost done. To this, we'll add fresh thyme leaves and fresh chopped rosemary, although both can be substituted with dry. We'll sauté everything, making sure the chicken cubes are no longer pink, before removing them from the heat. Time to assemble. We'll place the lettuce at the bottom of the bowl. From here, we'll divide the bowl into 6 sections. And I do that because we eat with our eyes first. You'll see. In the first one, we'll place the chicken cubes. Next to them will be the sliced red cabbage, followed by sharp cheddar cheese, then red onions. I have a great tip to remove the harshness from raw onions. And to view it, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. We'll place the avocado cubes next to the onions, and last but not least are the cherry tomatoes cut in half. I like drizzling on some of my creamy cilantro lime dressing or my poppy seed dressing, which is coming up next week, so stay tuned. And my friends, this is our Summer Harvest Bowl. Loaded with colorful ingredients, this is a tasty and light meal to enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!